welcome back to my channel. Today I have another fun intermediate level jazz routine for you. This one's nice and short and sweet. It's 4 counts of 8, and we can always spice it up and challenge ourselves by adding a little more technique in there if you want to. So let's watch a quick preview and then let's get started. We're going to pull up on 1, we're going to sit down on 2, we're going to snap our head to the side, then we're going to just do a hit up 3, and we're going to whack it back down on 4 just with that one hand. From there, we're going to step onto our opposite foot, 5, cross our arms, we're going to do a big rondejong, 6, and push around, step on that back foot, 7, and we're going to bring it up to a passe on 8. So once again, we start here. We're going to come up 1, down 2, up 3, down 4, step 5, rondejong 6, step 7, up to that passe releve on 8. Out of that passe releve, we're going to go ahead and do a pas de bourrée right from there. So we're going to start with that left foot since it's free. We're going to pas de bourrée 1 and 2 into a nice good solid prep. We're going to do a coupe turn. Now right here, you can challenge yourself if you want to do a single, double, or triple, but it is 2 counts of our music. So if we're just doing a single, we're going to hold 3, 4 into that one turn, step out 5, 6. If you're going to do a double, you're going to go 3, 4, step 5, 6. Or if you're doing a triple, you can go 3 and 4, step 5, 6. You choose what amount you'd like to do. From there, we're just going to step up 7, and we're going to drop it back on 8 and arch that back looking all the way up to the ceiling. So that second count of 8 comes from that passe. Once again, we're going to pas de bourrée 1 and 2 right into that prep. I'm going to do a double pirouette 3, 4, step out 5, 6, bring it up 7 and 8. All right, let's piece that together from the beginning. So we start in that bubble. We come up 1, down 2, up 3, sit 4, cross 5, rondejong 6, 7, bring it up 8, pas de bourrée 1 and 2, coupe turn 3, 4, step 5, 6, bring it up 7 and 8. Good, let's try that a little bit faster and then we'll learn the second half. 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, step, 5, step, 6, 7 and 8. From there, we're going to bring it up, 1, sit back down on 2, similar to the beginning. From there, you're going to cross again, 3, and we're going to hit that nice perfect L. We're going to glue those knees together, looking to the side, pointing that toe. From there, we're going to chaîner to the opposite side, 5, 6, we're going to ball change quick, and 7. It's going to be a nice quick ball change. You're going to flick kick 8. Now, if you're a little more advanced and want to do a nice good battement, feel free. That is a great opportunity to add some challenge in there. If not, just stick with that nice little flip kick. So from there, that third count of 8 yet again, we just relaxed 8. We come up 1, 2, you step 3, 4, chaîner 5, 6, and 7. You're going to flick it on 8. From there, you're going to ball change back and 1. We're going to roll through our body 2, 3. We're going to snap it 4. We're going to step pivot 5, 6, step again 7, hit on 8. And I'm just bringing that foot in and hitting that ending pose on 8. So that fourth count of 8 will look like this. We just flipped 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and do that second half. Nice and slow over here. We come up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Flick 8. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. And that is all of our choreography for today. So let's start back at the very beginning, nice and slow. We're here, 6, 7, 8. Bring it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Step out. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Flick it 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I'm going to turn this combo around and face the back just so you can see every angle. From the beginning, nice and slow. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Place 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Flick 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go ahead and try that just a little bit faster, and then we'll piece it together with the music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, guys, it is now time to piece this choreography together with the music. Remember, don't be afraid to speed it up and challenge yourself if you want to, or slow it down if you need to. So, good luck and try your best. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everyone, that is it for our jazz combo today. I hope you enjoyed learning that with me. If you did, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button right down below for new videos